let's go ahead and make a strawberry lemonade Cosmo. Okay, so we're getting ready to muddle some strawberries. So we're gonna muddle. I probably should do the ice, the muddling first and the ice, but it's all the same. So take a little bit of strawberries for this strawberry lemonade Cosmo. That we're gonna do. This is gonna be great for Valentine's Day. I thought this would be a sexy drink. I already put the sugar. I did some sugar. I actually used my sugar spice, DivineKuizine Sugar Spice, and then I did some red food coloring, and I did our brim. So now we're gonna have some vodka. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of vodka. Ounces of strawberry lemonade. We have some pineapple juice. We're going to do 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And we have some, this goes pretty quickly, 2 ounces of triple sec. 1.5 ounce of lemon juice. You can just use fresh lemon juice, but I had some lemon concentrate, so that's what I'm gonna use. And then we're gonna shake everything together. Shake what your mama gave you. Up our strawberry lemonade Cosmo, and then we're gonna go ahead and garnish it. I cut out a little strawberry, tried to make a little strawberry heart on top. Okay, maybe that one doesn't work. Let's try again. Take 2, strawberry on top, and there we have it, our strawberry lemonade. I cannot stand Naomi behind the scenes, but there you go with our strawberry lemonade Cosmo. Let's go in for the review. So now I'm gonna go in and taste it. It's good. It's strong. It's a little strong, but it's good. You get that strawberry lemonade-y kind of taste. And then, you know, you got the sugar spice around the rim, so it kind of gives it that little sweet because it's a little, you know, with the bitters of the pineapples, and you know, you have the lemon juice and the triple sec. But it's refreshing. It's good. Not too strong. I'm a baby drinker. Not too strong, but real like refreshing, good, sexy kind of drink. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all.